Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of the video. I will be showing you how to get great results using Greyscale, how to convert it properly to color, what colors to use, what to look out for. The first thing I always work on is the background, because then it basically directs you. It helps you with your color choices. I wanted to go for like a green effect because I wanted to be outside, the bunny's outside chilling somewhere, and I thought it would be a good colour to work with. I'm just experimenting using different greens, different tones of green. It's also very important when it comes to the brushes that you're using. The brush that I've been using throughout this video was the basic full flow opacity brush, but I also mixed it in with the airbrush one because I honestly use that one for every single piece that I make because it gives such a nice subtle effect. It helps you to blend. It's just amazing at blending stuff. If there's any mistakes that you've made, you can also go over with it. Eyes are usually something I really focus on because this is what I believe. If you want your piece to look great, make sure that the eyes look great. For me, it's the base. Every single drawing I do, I make sure to focus on the eyes. You want it to look quite realistic. Even when I'm doing cartoons, I like to add realistic eyes. I want it to glisten and reflect. Make sure you have the black pupils, and then around it you have the little reflection. You're also going to get great results when you use the airbrush. You use the white colour or any bright colour you want and go over the white areas. It really makes it pop. Here I just decided to go for crazy yellow, and then I decided that I actually hated it. It looked really weird and it blended too much with the background. Remember, you want it to stand out, not blend in. I'm trying to see what colour I want for the face and the body. I usually struggle with that, so you can see me attempt to use different colours until I make my mind up about what I actually want to use and what I want to do with it, how I want it to look. It depends what theme you're going for, because this is a cartoon, it's fun, it's a bunny, I want it to look vibrant, whereas if it was something more sad, you obviously look at the darker tones, whereas here I want to make it look happy and just want it to pop. I decided to go for pink leaves as well because I feel like that would make it stand out more. Basically go on the colour wheel if it helps you. I don't really do that, I just go with what I feel like. As I said, it's always trial and error, and you can always go on your layers, change up colours, it doesn't matter, just have fun with it. As we're working from Greyscale, it's going to be way easier for you to use the colours, because even now when I'm using pink on the leaves, it automatically looks at the light areas and the dark areas, so I'm not spending time choosing a colour, going over it 50 times to make it look good. You just need one colour, that's all you need. Then you go over it, add different colours, it's up to you really. Then I obviously went for the blue eyes because why not? Making it pop once again. I like the blues, love the blues. For some reason I realised every time I make a piece I have to add blue and pink. I don't know why. Quite repetitive, I need to change that, but I just love it so much at the moment. Even here with the nose, I'm going in with purple. Later on I think I choose pink and yellow and all that stuff because I want to see what suits it most. And you should do that too. Don't settle for one colour. Why not use 50? Why use one? Why? You know, this is art. Express yourself. And that's that. As I said, it's really simple and really quick. There's nothing crazy to do. Go with the flow. Add some colours, make sure they pop in, and then you're sorted. Obviously it depends on what style you're going for as well. I got loads of different styles. I don't stick to one, although I know a lot of people do that, and people say it's unprofessional if you don't have a specific style and how you shouldn't call it a style and all that gibberish. However, I don't believe that. I do whatever I want to do. If I feel like I want to do something realistic, I'll do that. If I want to make a cartoon, I'll do that. Don't trap yourself. Don't put yourself in a box. Just do what you want to do. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm probably going to make more Greyscale videos, but I'm going to try to make sure this channel is really fun and I do different things. I don't just focus on digital or Greyscale. I do everything from sculpting to painting. So thank you and bye.